Hello everyone. Today I will be introducing you to a powerful and modern tool in the world of cloud computing and DevOps. It's called OpenTofu, and this is my self-learning topic. Okay, before we dive into OpenTofu, let's talk about a concept that's transforming the way developers manage infrastructure. It's called infrastructure as code, or IaC. Traditionally, if you wanted to create a server, databases, or load balancers, you would do it manually by clicking through a cloud provider's web console, and that's very slow and not scalable. With IaC, or infrastructure as code, we write code to define and manage infrastructure just like you write code for applications. You can write code to spin up a virtual machine, deploy database, or configure a firewall rule. And you can version control it with Git. And one of the most popular IaC tools was Terraform. It developed by HashiCorp, and it allowed developers to define cloud infrastructure in a simple configuration language called HCL, HashiCorp Configuration Language. But in 2023, something major happened. HashiCorp changed the license of Terraform to something called the Business Source License, or BSL. This restricted how people could use, modify, or fork the tool, especially for commercial or competitive use. In response, the open source community came together and launched a project called OpenTF, which later became OpenTofu, now governed by Linux Foundation. And OpenTofu is a fully open source for Terraform and designed to remain free, transparent, and community driven. And next is our demo. We will write a configuration file to create a cloud storage bucket on the Google Cloud. And the first thing that we're gonna do is install the OpenTofu. But for me, I already installed it by using these commands because I'm on Windows system. Okay. And the next thing that we are going to use is Google Cloud SDK, because we are going to use Google Cloud buckets for our deployment. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna open my project. This is the HTML file that I already prepared for our demo session, and we are going to write the .tf file. Let's start with main.tf file. We are going to write a configuration for our deployment. Google provider. We're going to use it as a variable because we're gonna write a variable file for them. And next one. this region is equal to var region. And next is resource. Google storage. Okay. And gonna name it as website bucket. Next is we're gonna use name is equal to var the bucket name and location is equal to region, and for the website use two variables, main page suffix as a index.html. And for the page, we will use it as for the HTML. For next two variable is our uniform bucket level access. We will say as a true, and force destroy is equal to true. And next resource is for the storage bucket binding, and we can name it as public access. The bucket, we will say it is equal to Google storage bucket dot website bucket dot, and for the role we will say as a rows slash storage dot object viewer. For the members, we will say it as a all user, because we want every user to access our website. Next resource is Google storage bucket object. Next HTML. Okay, I'm gonna name it as a HTML. Get go to the same one here, and for the source is index.html. And content type is text slash HTML. Okay, that's it for main.tf. And the next file that we are going to write is variables. TF. This file is for the variable that we write on main.tf. First variable is project ID. We can write the description for it. It's your cloud project ID. And type is string. And for the next variable, it's region. It's our region. It's our GCP, which is stand for Google Cloud Project region. We can set default for it as Asia Southeast 1. Okay. Name is equal to description is unique and the forward state website bucket. Its type is string. Okay, the last file that we are gonna write is outputs.tf. Okay, we are use this file as an output URL for our deployed link. Okay, website URL and value. Its value is equal to http slash and this one is storage bucket dot site name. No, it's website bucket name dot storage dot Google APIs.com slash index.html. Description. It's a public view file for the static site. Okay, and we're gonna start to run the command to execute this script. Okay, the first command that we're gonna use is gcloud. Let me take a look at it. It's a gcloud application default login. Okay. It will redirect it to this page to authenticate me to my account. Okay, just need to wait. Oh, it's quite slow, but it's okay. Okay, Okay, now we already logged into my account, and here's my project ID. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is set config by my project ID. Party portal. Okay, I forgot C. It's my bad. Yes. Okay, it's already updated properly. Okay, and we are gonna start using tofu command. Init tofu. Okay. This command is used to initialize the plugins for our project. Okay, and it's already initialized. And the next command that I'm gonna use is tofu plan. Okay, this command is for like, it shows what OpenTofu will do without making any actual changes. So we're gonna pass the variable to our script by using var equal to our variable name is project ID, which is party, and another one is get name. So it's OpenTofu site. Okay, run this. Okay, I think it's error because main.tf. Okay, we can check it. Okay, I think I fixed it already. Okay, we must start to run it again. Okay, it's working, and I think we can open it. So I should run apply. Yes, I think it should work. It's already create. Okay, I'm gonna try to open it. Okay, and here it's our deployed static web. Okay, I think it's very easy to write just 3 files for our deployment, and it's easy to like manage the permission for anyone that we are gonna allow them to access to this website. Well, I think that's it for this demo session. Okay, thank you for your attention.